Ka Assam Down Town University haka jinga terilang bat ka L anti Edu Tech ka VFS Global Academy ka IBM ka SAP bat ka Delhi Ferry haka kharui terik julio ahjarapsan kala penlong ya ka program Compass to Corporate Industry Interaction Session bat ka jingpun ku burom ya ki kena bapa haka kerdan kelas 10 bat kelas 12 hakut yat by Marriott ha Shillong. Hakan ni kajingelang lawan ban pentap palat spangut kisam lapule ki bapas ya ke kelas 10 bat kelas 12 CBSE i bat embus lawan ban longkongsan hakan ni kajingelang tau ba met ba lengdo chairman Kameglia State Planning Board ha kajingel donlang udaktor ankur saikia bat kiwi de uba met ba lengdo haba ai jingkren hakane kesngi ula ong ba kane ke campus to corporate industry interaction kalong banyarap ban pensu tu ban kerjan banyalam nanti abaro kumno ban kentiu syaka benta ba kham halor sisin ba phila pidyang ya kane ke jing te pynlong shisha ki bala ban job bat ban le ya kane kalong ka ba e shibun u ankor saikia badai u associate din learn infrastructure and resource ka Assam Down Town University haka jingi keren ulaong ba ka jing penlong ya kane ka program kalong ban ai jing hikai ya kena bakin tip shapang ka perthai bat ban tip habai de ki jing shna ki bahe ha India kumno kin tip ru shapang ka technology ulaong ru ba don ki kena badang pule ha ki school kim sing thu ki kwa ban le ki kam ayu anda kladep jing pule de halor kane ka Assam Down Town University ka kwa ban ailat iki kena bakin tip bat bakin sutu khambha.
And excited to be a part of this program, which is the need of the hour, especially for our youth who are still in campuses, who are still in the process of shaping their future, who are still in the field where they have to fight on a daily basis for the future. The most important of this program today, why I accepted this invitation is because I would like just to throw some light on the students of this university and the students as well through print and electronic medias, the importance of transition in life, in the journey. I have gone through the invitation. I understood very well the whole purpose of this interaction session is basically to support, to assist, to help, and to guide each and every one of you. How do you place yourself in that transition period from campus to a professional world? This is what it's all about. Dr. Manoj,
Assam Down Town University organized this campus event for the purpose that the student belong to Northeastern India can get the idea what is the means actual scenario in the globe. Means in the northeastern area you cannot find too much building which is comprising of the corporate building. So but the thing is that they have to understand how the actual real world work with the current technology and how the means like a technology incorporated by the corporate sector. So we do eliminate this gap between the academia and the industry. This campus to corporate event has been organized. Another point is means the school level or the SS level. At the time, many of the students may not get the proper direction based on their own wishes that I want to be that one, I want to be that one. I have seen in the phone, in the current time means in the device that these are the things I want to be. But how? What is the procedure? How they may not know that. So for that, the Assam Down Town University want to assist by means organizing such type of event, such the students get an idea to where to go, how to go, and how to do the all the micromanagement thing to get their means grade, to fulfill their goal. Thank you. Okay. In the Shillong, the thing is that means Shillong is also growing now nowadays. It is a hub of tourism. If you ask me personally, I have a good relation with Shillong because I was from Ning. I passed out from Ning. Means the thing is that here. So I have seen since last couple of decades, means that Meghalaya's person has a lot of potential to, and they have done their best in the industry. So, and the thing is that the limitation of the resources and the corporate into that Meghalaya, so it may sometimes difficult for the student to recognize. If you're talking about Gurgaon, Noida, Bangalore, Hyderabad, they have seen the lots of buildings where the companies' names are there. But if you talk about the Shillong, if you talk about the Guwahati also, we don't have such type of building where the big names are there. Right. Now we have to encourage, but it is not, we have to encourage the northeastern people, northeastern students. Yes, these are the world and you can also go there. You can also do whatever you want. But how the procedure, the pathway, so we have to show that. Actually, what's saying here means we have seen that more than 200 students are coming, and the student that means they are just passing from the class 10 or 12 level. Now here, since some parents may aware with the means current scenario, the pathway what I have mentioned earlier, but some may not be that particular that path information about the pathway. Now the thing is that here they are doing well in their SS level. They have the lots of potential to something better in their life and for the society. Now that is why to facilitate them, to encourage them, and to show them the path how the corporate sector work, where the corporate sector exists, what is their means involvement in the economy of the India, the growth means economical growth in India. So with this means we will show them the path to get to that particular scenario such that they can means achieve that particular goal if they wish to go there. Okay. Videography, the technology has become that easier for us, and it is a globally available. In earlier means something invented in the European Union, in the America, then after 10 to 15 years it's come to the India. Now what's it? One thing is invented or discovered, it is globally available. So for that thing means all the technology should not be limited to a particular geographical location. So for that, everyone has the right to go to the top, and that is why to focus that part, we are here to means guide the student. So the event has been concluded like this, means showcasing the pathway to achieve their best.